The sales for Best Buy were approximately $35.9 billion in 2006 and $40.0 billion in 2007. Using only this information, write a linear equation that gives the sales in billions of dollars in terms of years. Predict the sales for 2010. Alright, so someone had said, let's just put this in a table. Normally on the left side goes what letter? And then Y. And you guys said that defining the X would be what? Years, or time measured in years. Yeah, let's put time, because I think it'll be confusing if we make it the a variable Y. Does that make sense? Yeah. And then what's your Y? Sales measured in what? Yeah, I would love to have billions of dollars. So what variable do you guys want to use from here? T. And over here. Okay, now we can't just have S. We have to have what? S of T. Let's write down our, give me a year. 2006. Give me sales. Because 35.9 doesn't represent $35.90, it represents 35 billion. Give me another year. Sales. So let's go ahead and use this now. Partner A tell partner B the formula for slope. Mary Grace, formula for slope. M Y2 So essentially a table is a way of organizing your order pairs. So this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. You guys see how that's an order pair? Let's substitute it in now. Y2 value is 40.0 minus y1, which is 35.9, over x2, which is 2007, minus 2006. So if you subtract the numerator, what do you get? 4.1 over 1. Okay, let's do some interpretation. Slope can be defined as rise over run. Slope can be defined as the change of y over the change of x. Class, what does the y variable refer to? So we can expect an increase of $4.1 billion every what? After increase of 1 year. So after every 1 year. Do you see what slope is there? Do you think Best Buy would be happy if it was negative? No. Okay, let's think about this. I have slope. I need to write an equation that tells us a linear equation Partner B, tell partner A what type of linear equation you want to use. Tell them a formula before I call on you. 20 seconds, go. Josh, what is an algebraic equation or a linear equation that we can use? Hannah, what's a linear equation we can use? There's 3 different forms. What is slope-intercept form? Or we can also use what class? Point slope form. Now, I will show you with slope-intercept form. We're going to take our slope of 4.1. Everyone say 1. We need to pick one of these order pairs to substitute in for the x and the y. We'll solve for the b, so we'll have an m and a b, and that'll be our equation. Okay? So I have 4.1. Someone pick a year for us. 2007 is my x values. And our y value is 40. So again, we pick one of the years, it doesn't matter, just pick one of those. You have the order pair, substitute it in. And we're going to solve for a b value now. Let's do that. I'll put in my calculator, 4.1 times 2007. I get 9,048.7. Okay, now here, oh, that's wrong. Not in that feature. Thank you. 4.1 times 2007. 8,228.7. Okay. Class, what does that 40 represent?
The sales is double set.
Sales in what? It represents it in billions. So our slope is in billions, and this is also in billions. So I'm not going to add a bunch of zeros. Are you following me? So here I have 40. To solve for b, I'm just going to subtract. So b is equal to negative 8,188.7. So let's see what we have here so far. I have the m value. I have the b value now. Now I can make an equation. So I have 4.1. My b value is, sure, my sign, minus 8,188.7. Instead of writing the y, we're going to write s of t. And instead of x, we're going to write a t. So what we just did there is we wrote an equation now in function notation. So that is my linear equation. Check mark. Done. Predict the sales for 2010. Class 2010, is it a sales or time? So time equals 2010. So let's substitute in for every t value. So let me highlight this one. This is our formula, our linear equation. And now if they ask me to make a prediction, S equals 2010 equals 4.1 times 2010 minus 8,188.7. Let's punch that in. 4.1 times 2010 minus 8,188.7. S equals, our sales for the year 2010 equals 52.3. So we're saying that our sales, as a function of time, time is 2010, we're going to have $52.3 billion in sales. So 2010, and that's 52.3. Okay, let's make a quick graph. X represents what? Time measured in what? Years. And then the y-axis represents what? Sales represented in billions. So if our first year is 2006, here's 2007. I'll call it 07, 08, 09, 2010. And then we started at $35 billion. So maybe this is like, let's see if I have enough. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So there is 60, that's 50. So 40, 30, 20, 10. So each of my boxes is 5. So I have 2006, 35.9. 2007, 40. 2010, 52.3. Now there's some limitations on a linear equation, right? I don't know about you, I'm a smart shopper. I never buy anything full price. I know the math. So maybe some years they don't sell too well, right? They sold the wrong computer game. I'll actually look it up on the computer right now.